This 2026 Keystone Montana High Country 311RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rancho Cordova, California, 95742 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Sacramento. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.